it's probably gonna be weird stuff. I haven't listened to it yet, but let's just do it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something that everybody's been asking me a lot about, and that's I'm gonna be doing a sound test for the sub in the truck. And that's not all I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to be putting in a bass knob, so that way I can kind of, you know, control my bass, because you don't want constant crazy bass all the time. At least I don't. So I have a boost knob that I had running on my old car, and I'm gonna install it today. It's super easy to do, especially the one that I have. Got the kind that I have, which, I mean, it's just real cheap. It came in like a kit, but it does the job, and it connects to your amp with a little kind of Ethernet cord. I don't know if it's an actual Ethernet cord or if it's certain to a sub, but it connects to your amp. I'll have to end up lifting up the seat and showing you where all that connects to, but I will do that. And then you just run it and mount it wherever you want to in the car. I haven't really decided where I want to mount mine yet. I've been kind of thinking about, since nobody smokes and nobody uses the ashtray, just kind of putting it in here in the ashtray, because I mean, nobody uses it. It's nice tucked away. If I want to use it, just pull it down, turn it up, or kind of putting it in here. But at the same time, I'm wanting to put a double din in here, so that would have to move. So I think I might just do that for now, but that's pretty much it. And then you guys are actually going to finally see how the sub sounds, because I've had so many comments of people being upset that they couldn't hear the sub when I did the install video. And that is because, I mean, as I said in the video, that was back when I still had my phone. I didn't have this camera, so I couldn't do anything, because you can't record videos and play music at the same time. So I'll actually be able to do that, and hopefully you guys will be pleased with the sound, because I have been ever since I did it. The bass is great, and I'll actually finally get to show you guys. So let's get to installing this bass knob. So here we are at my amp. It's just right up here under the seat. It's in the middle, like on this little support. It's surrounded by all these bolts, so it's pretty centered in there, and then it's held in by that, and then when the seat comes down, it holds it down that much extra too. So there's a little port right here, and that's all you're gonna do, at least with this style. You're just gonna plug it right in there, and you hear that click. Now you've got a bass knob installed. There are a couple different styles. You have the kind that can mount into these, and that would be up at your head unit. That would probably maybe like a cleaner look, because it's closer. You're not having to run all that wire, because as you can see, it's like a snake of wires. But they're also a little bit more expensive. They're still not expensive, but they're more expensive than the one that I have, and I already had it, so I didn't really care to buy another one. But I mean, that's it. I'm probably not going to show me running this, because all I'm going to do is follow the RCA cables up along the door, and then bring it up probably to that cigarette lighter. So I'm probably not going to show me putting that in or routing it, but it's all hooked in now, so I can finally do that sound test you guys have been waiting for. So let's get to it. Okay, actually what I ended up doing is just finding some non-copyright, really bass boosted music. So it's probably going to be weird stuff. I haven't listened to it yet, but let's just do it. So this is the bass knob all the way down. So it's all the way down. Really nothing, and that's all the way up. Alright, so that was it. I don't know how good that was on camera. This song doesn't hit as hard as a lot of the songs that I actually listen to, so it wasn't a good one. But I mean, that's pretty much it. It's not like competition. You're not gonna blow your windows out or anything with it, but I feel like for what I have, it's a single dual, like a Walmart brand sub and amp. And I mean, yeah, it's running off a Kenwood, which is a decent head unit, but it's old. I've had this thing for like 4 years. So like I said, it's not going to be insane, but especially for what I like, what I want to do with it, the kind of music I listen to and everything, it's perfect for me. So that's about all I could really show you. All the other songs I looked up were about the same. But that's pretty much it as far as installing the bass knob, bass test. Hopefully you guys heard it good. I don't know how great the audio is on this camera, but it sounds good. Actual copyrighted music sounds a lot better. All I could find was kind of the YouTube sound quality, not that great type stuff. So like I said, that was a really bad test, and I still think it sounded great. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I got stuff I gotta do, family to hang out with, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys like this. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you like what I'm putting out, go check out some other videos. Hit that subscribe button if you're digging my content. Follow me on all my socials. It's Instagram, TikTok. If you feel like TikTok, I don't really post much, but follow me on Instagram. And I have a channel email now if you need to contact me for any reason. I'll leave that down in the description below. I'll leave all that down there, so go do that. And again, just thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.